Nama saya Aisyah.
Okay.
Saya belajar bahasa Malay.
Sila.
I think your son just shot somebody.
Guys, my parents' first time in Asia. Right. First time. Already had some compliments on your Malay, have you?
Ya, apa setiap kali I datang Malaysia, you all tak pernah nak cakap bahasa Melayu dengan I. I selalu try practice my Malay. Sebab bahasa Melayu ni sikit lain dengan bahasa Indonesia kan.
Melayu kamu sangat bagus loh Melayu.
Oh, terima kasih banyak. Ya, lama di sini sudah. Itu orang pergi di sini tidak macam Aceh itu bahasa itu tidak hormat banyak.
Go to Malaysia if you want to learn English. Do not go to England. Do not go to America. Why? Because here in Malaysia, together with learning English, you will gain a superpower.
About moving to Malaysia for the winter this year, and I got a lot of questions about why I wanted to move from London to Malaysia, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the great things about Malaysia. So
the food here was spicy as hell. So yeah, the first 3 days I was sick. Also, I would say people here are mostly like not kind of closed off, but you know they've been hanging out with their own like ethnicity. But
kenapakah seorang pelajar dari London yang datang dari salah satu kota paling modern di dunia boleh terkejut besar apabila tiba di Malaysia? Bagaimana mereka yang sudah biasa dengan sistem Eropah, teknologi canggih, dan gaya hidup kelas dunia boleh mengaku bahawa Malaysia sebenarnya jauh lebih baik daripada apa yang mereka sangka? Dan apa pula sebab yang membuat mereka kembali ke Kuala Lumpur? Bukan sekali, tetapi berkali-kali. Hari ini Arus Story bawakan kisah sebenar yang membuka mata, mengubah persepsi, dan membuat ramai pelajar luar terdiam. Pelajar London yang datang ke KL selalunya ada satu gambaran awal. Malaysia negara biasa-biasa. Negara membangun. Infrastruktur mungkin sederhana. Tetapi semua itu runtuh dalam beberapa minit pertama mereka tiba. Mereka terkejut melihat KLCC mega seperti pusat dunia. MRT dan LRT modern dengan stesen bersih dan canggih. Pusat beli belas taraf atau lebih hebat dari London. Kafe, co-working space, and internet stabil yang memudahkan pelajar-pelajar. Rakyat Malaysia bergaya moden, berpendidikan, and multilingual. Ada yang berkata, KL jauh lebih moden daripada banyak bandar Eropah. Bagi mereka, ini satu tamparan lembut pada persepsi lama. Malaysia bukan mundur. Malaysia sebenarnya lebih ke hadapan dari apa yang mereka dengar. Seterusnya, pelajar London sangat terkejut dengan kualiti hidup di Malaysia. Di London, segala-galanya mahal. Sewa rumah mahal, makanan mahal, pengangkutan mahal, tekanan hidup tinggi. Tapi di Malaysia, mereka rasa seperti dapat kehidupan baru. Mereka terkejut kerana makan sedap tapi murah, pengangkutan awam mudah dan cepat, jalan raya besar yang tersusun, banyak tempat hijau dan tempat lepak selamat, makanan 24 jam, sesuatu yang London tak ada. Dan masyarakat Malaysia sangat mesra, sopan dan suka membantu. Ramai pelajar berkata, Malaysia buat saya rasa lebih selamat daripada London. Ada yang pernah kena gangguan atau jenayah kecil di UK, tapi di Malaysia, mereka rasa tenang berjalan malam. Lebih mengejutkan, mereka merasakan Malaysia lebih manusiawi, lebih mesra, lebih ringan, lebih damai. Ini sesuatu yang mereka jarang jumpa di kota besar Eropah, yang semakin sibuk dan dingin.
Nama saya Aisyah.
Okay.
Saya belajar bahasa Malay.
Sila.
I think your son just shot somebody. Saya tinggal di London.
Yeah, saya tinggal di London. Yeah, right. I live in London.
Tapi saya mau tinggal di Malaysia.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Guys, I have no idea how long it's going to take for me to become fluent in Bahasa Melayu. But what I do know is I will not give up and I will keep practicing and learning.
Guys, my parents' first time in Asia. Right. First time. Already had some compliments on your Malay, have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
I only know 3 words.
Yes.
What did you say? Assalamualaikum.
Oh, yeah.
Apa kabar? Sedap.
I'll just say Sedap, yeah, Sedap is a price, yes. Yes.
Terima kasih.
Seems to know English to a certain degree, and most of the times it's very good English. And many Malaysians actually speak 3 to 4 languages. So if you're traveling, if you're a tourist and you're having some issues because that person doesn't speak perfect English or you can't understand them, you gotta chill because that's their 3rd or 4th language already. Relax lah.
Kenapa setiap kali I datang Malaysia, you all tak pernah nak cakap bahasa Melayu dengan I? I selalu try practice my Malay. Sebab bahasa Melayu ni sikit lain dengan bahasa Indonesia kan? But setiap kali I cakap, you guys terus jawab in English. Like, hello lah. Janganlah. I tanya, boleh cakap Melayu tak? Orang Malaysia. Yes, of course. But we can speak English. No, I not practice Malay. Tapi tetap jawabnya English juga. So sekarang my Malay level is still beginner. Sebab orang Malaysia semua jadi cikgu English. Please lah, next time bagi I chance cakap Melayu sikit lah. Biar salah grammar pun tak tekan. Janji practice.
Melayu kamu sangat bagus loh Melayu.
Oh, terima kasih banyak. Lama di sini sudah. Itu orang pergi di sini tidak macam lah Aceh itu bahasa itu tidak hormat banyak.
I guess your wife is
Orang Rungus.
Orang Rungus?
Yeah.
Your wife?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you stay here for 18 years.
Yes.
How many kids you got?
2.
How do I call you?
Howard.
Howard.
Yeah.
England. 英国人。
Yeah.
所以中文你华语你会讲？
Boleh 一点点。公主北京1年 long time ago. Dalam kuda 18 tahun. Dalam Sabah macam like 20 berapa sudah?
Macam like
22 tahun di dalam Sabah. Yeah.
Howard, kamu punya Melayu sangat banyak bagus.
Is it? Oh, thank you.
Hi.
This is Margaret. And this is Amari. Goes to a Chinese school.
Oh yeah.
你好吗？你好吗？
Go to Malaysia if you want to learn English. Do not go to England. Do not go to America. Why? Because here in Malaysia, together with learning English, you will gain a superpower, understanding every single accent in the world. Whether it's Malay, Chinese, Indian, African, Italian, French, South Korean, Japanese. As someone who has learned English here in Malaysia, and I've learned my English from the Chinese, the Malays, the Indians, and everyone else that lives here, the English that you learn here in Malaysia is going to be influenced by so many different people, cultures, that your English is going to be the united version of English, the English of the world, and you will easily understand everyone because you've heard every single accent while you've been here in Malaysia, and everyone in the world will understand you. With a few minor exceptions, English people still sometimes don't understand my English, but I invite them all to Malaysia because it's time to catch up with the rest of the world. Macam iOS 27, the new and updated version of English oleh Malaysia untuk semua.
Moving to Malaysia for the winter this year, and I got a lot of questions about why I wanted to move from London to Malaysia, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the great things about Malaysia. So starting off with service, whether you're in a restaurant or if you're in a shop or wherever you are, the service level here is insane. The people are so nice. I mean, especially compared to London, the people are just more slow-paced, they'll be more friendly with you. The second reason is, of course, the cost of living. Now, especially if you're earning in pounds and you're spending in ringgit, you are just going to be blown away by the amount of money that you can save. For example, I'm renting a flat in central KL and I've got a gym and a pool, and that would set me back thousands of pounds in the UK. The third reason why I moved here is, no surprise, the weather. I would say this is my main reason. I did not want to go through another depressing UK winter. Now, don't get me wrong, it does rain a lot here, but at least it's warm. I mean, indoors it's really, really cold, as you can tell from my jumper. But on any given day, it is 30 degrees outside, guaranteed. The fourth reason why I picked Malaysia out of all the other countries was their food. So I came to Malaysia at the beginning of this year and I was absolutely blown away by how flavorful their food is, especially as a South Asian. I need my spices, I need my flavor. Also, plus point, if you're Muslim, most of the places are going to be halal. And another plus point if you're a Muslim is that you can hear the call to prayer, which is so nice.
My one question is, what is the one culture shock that you had when you first came to Malaysia?
One culture shock?
Yes.
It wasn't culture, but back in my country, it wasn't so hot. It's not a culture shock, but it wasn't so hot, so I wasn't adapted with the weather. I don't know if that's culture, but they're too passionate here. They be kissing everywhere and
Spicy food. I think.
Spicy food?
Yeah.
Yeah, many people said that.
Yeah, that's about it for me.
Yeah, so first of all was the food. The food here was spicy as hell. So yeah, the first 3 days I was sick. Also, I would say people here are mostly like not kind of closed off, but you know, they've been hanging out with their own like ethnicity. But in class they all hang out together, but outside of class like they don't really hang out together because like the culture is different.
Yeah.
That's why. So,
Yeah.
that's the main thing I've been noticing here.
People are very friendly.
That was a culture shock?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're very helpful. They offer to help without asking. So that was the first thing I noticed here.
And I like that there's diversity in terms of culture, so I like that.
Akhirnya pelajar London sedar, Malaysia bukan negara mundur seperti tanggapan lama. Malaysia bukan bayangan media barat. Malaysia ialah negara yang sedang bangkit dengan kemajuan moden, budaya kaya, dan nilai kemanusiaan yang luar biasa. Mereka datang sebagai pelancong, tetapi kembali sebagai seseorang yang benar-benar menyukai Malaysia, lebih daripada negara sendiri. Jadi bila mereka ditanya, kenapa jauh-jauh dari London kembali ke Kuala Lumpur? Jawapannya mudah. Malaysia membuat mereka rasa hidup. Malaysia membuat mereka rasa diterima. Malaysia membuat mereka rasa mahu kembali. Teruskan bersama Arus Story, tempat di mana setiap kisah Malaysia membuka mata dunia tentang siapa kita sebenarnya.
Arus Story dari lensa dan cerita. Bukan sahaja dihayati, tapi dipelajari.